Hello, welcome to VizMan, Visitor Management Application with Gate Pass and Meeting Calendar. Let us see how to register with VizMan. On the VizMan website, click on Register and sign up with your details. Full name, mobile number, email address, and now create your password. Password should at least contain one uppercase, lowercase, special character, and a number. Click on the Save button to save all your details. You'll receive an OTP on email and mobile for account verification. If you have not received the OTP, kindly click on Resend. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Now, log in with your mobile number and password. Don't forget to enter the mathematical CAPTCHA. After login, under the subscription page, enter your company details. Company name, company address, GST number, country, state. Then click on Save and Next. Now choose the package based on average number of people who visit you monthly and number of employees. You can select 7 days free trial to try on. Once again, log in with your mobile number and password. The admin dashboard will open. In the dashboard, there are different cards and graph for the reports. To change company logo and details, go to the Profile section. Edit or add the necessary details. The logo file should be in PNG format with size less than 300 KB. Download the QR code that is used for touchless check-in for visitor. Admin can change the settings. Admin can add different fields for visitors check-in like their email ID, company details, address, purpose of visit, photo proof, ID proof. You can note the temperature if you want. If admin wants, additional column can also be added, like vehicle number. After adding column details, active the column. Third setting is baggage template, and it is used for issuing gate pass. You can also choose among the various templates available. Now let's add employees to the company. Click on Employee tab. Employee list will open. Now click on Add button. Fill the details like full name, email address, mobile number, user role, and create password. Department designation and photo ID are additional fields. Then click on Submit button. Details will be saved. Similarly, you can add all other employees as per their roles, such as employees, receptionist, and gatekeeper. You can import the employees by clicking on Import button. Then download the Excel sheet and fill all the details, and then upload it. Employee will be added. Thank you. If you have any query, You can contact us on the details mentioned on the screen.